today I am going to start the new topic profit and loss. So before we explain profit and loss, we will discuss about what is a profit. So let me explain it to you through by an examples. For example, if a man buys his goods 20 rupees and sells his good is 18 rupees, so that is means profit. How many profits? There are 2 rupees are profit. Just like as for example, if a man sells his goods 20 rupees but and he purchased the price for rupees 21, that is called the profit and loss. So this is called some examples we given the what is the profit and loss. So we now write some examples on the board. For example, a man buys his goods at rupees 20 per kg and sales at rupees 22 per kg. मीन्स कोई व्यक्ति अगर कोई चीज 20 रुपए में खरीदता है और उसको 22 यानी अगर 20 रुपीज में वो खरीद रहा है और 22 रुपीज में सेल कर रहा है, यानी कि उसको क्या हो रहा है? प्रॉफिट हो रहा है। कितना का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है? सो वी लुक एट दिस. इन दैट केस there are the cost price and the selling price. So in that examples we will discuss about the profit and loss before we explain what is a profit and what is a loss. So what is a profit and loss? We now first we explain it the selling price. So what is a selling price? So the price at which a man sells his goods. अगर कोई व्यक्ति जिस प्राइस पर सामान को सेल कर रहा है वो उसका हो जाता है सेलिंग प्राइस. एंड दैट प्राइस विच मैन बायज हिज गुड्स दैट इज कॉल्ड अ कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बोथ आर द डिपेंडेंट ऑन सेलिंग प्राइस एंड कॉस्ट प्राइस. जब भी प्रॉफिट और लॉस निकाला जाता है तो वो दोनों पर डिपेंड करता है सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है और कॉस्ट प्राइस कितना है. तो अगर when we the selling price is more than cost price. So look at this example. A man buys his goods as 20 per kg. Means buys means that is the cost price. So before we will discuss the profit and loss, first we about explain the selling price equal to and cost price. So cost price, in that example the cost price will be given rupees 20 because the man buys. So buys means यानी कोई व्यक्ति कितने पैसे में वो सामान कितने रुपए में वो सामान खरीद रहा है. खरीदना buying, purchasing, bought. So some are the examples of the cost price. And the selling means selling. Sales is the goods, that is called the selling price. So selling price we indicate in the short way SP and the cost price either indicated in the short form CP. So selling price in that example 22 rupees is and there is 20 rupees. So look at this example. There are the cost of the things is cost price is 20 and selling price is 22. So means that is a profit or loss? Profit. How much profit? There are 2 rupees profit. So profit equal to SP minus CP. When selling price is more than cost price, that is called profit. And when cost price is more than selling price, that is called loss. So another example we will write on a board. we know that the cost price of a TV, cost price means CP of a TV, rupees 5,800, and the selling price, sold means selling price of TV is equal to rupees 7,000. So in that you can see the 5,800 is less than of the 7,000, and 5,800 is the cost price and selling price is 7,000. So we look at this, if the selling price is more than cost price, so that is called profit. So we find it, the answer is profit equal to SP minus CP. Now profit equal to SP minus CP, so selling price is equal to 7,000 minus 5,800. So the answer is what? 1,200 are called profit. So in that examples, explain it. Now first is the what is the selling price. So what is selling price? A man buys his goods, a man sells his goods, that is called the selling price. A man buys his goods, that is called the cost price. And when the selling price is more than cost price, that is called profit. If the selling price is less than the cost price, that is called loss. So another we will discuss about, so what is the profit or loss? Okay, so what is the properties of the profit and loss? The properties, profit equal to SP minus CP. Why? Because in that case selling price is more than cost price, and when selling price is less than cost price, so that is called loss. So now another also formula is coming out, that's what? If the profit will be given and cost price also, so selling price is equal to, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू एसपी माइनस सीपी, सो नाउ दैट एसपी इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट प्लस कॉस्ट प्राइस. व्हेन कॉस्ट प्राइस इक्वल टू, so cost price is equal to SP minus profit. In that case are the in profit case. Another in loss case. Loss case, when you know that loss equal to CP minus SP. So what is the cost price? How can we find the cost price if the loss will be given? So loss plus SP. And now if you find the selling price is equal to loss will be given, so SP equal to CP minus the loss. So this is the important points of this exercise. First, profit equal to loss equal to. Next is, if the profit will be given and cost price will be given, find the selling price. So selling price equal to profit plus cost price, and the cost price equal to selling price minus profit. When another case also, if the loss will be given and the selling price will be given, find the cost price. So selling price equal to CP minus loss and CP equal to loss plus SP. So in that formula we also find another formula. Okay, now the next we will discuss about the exercise. An exercise, many problems have been given, so we discuss about that. कितना टाइम हुआ है? not given, profit will be given. Okay, so now first find the selling price. How can we find the selling price? The profit given, cost price also given. So now you remember that if profit equal to SP minus CP, so we find the SP equal to, so SP equal to profit प्लस कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि प्रॉफिट प्लस कॉस्ट प्राइस मींस सेलिंग प्राइस इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट प्लस कॉस्ट प्राइस मींस प्रॉफिट will be given 400 and cost price is 2400. So the answer is 2800 rupees. This is the answer, 2800. Okay, next, because profit and loss only one will be finding, only one means if अगर आप प्रॉफिट निकाल रहे हैं तो लॉस नहीं निकलेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कॉस्ट प्राइस विल बी नॉट गिवन, सेलिंग प्राइस विल बी गिवन एंड प्रॉफिट विल बी आल्सो गिवन. सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस इक्वल टू वी राइट in that because profit equal to SP minus CP. So why? Because their profit also will be given and find the cost price. So the formula is SP minus profit. SP minus profit means cost price is equal to SP minus profit means SP is equal to what? 2900 minus profit, so 100. The answer is 2800. Okay. Another questions also. Question number C. Look at the question number C. In that 1900 will be given cost price and loss will be given. Loss will be given. So profit will be not find. Okay. In that also is profit not find. Now cost price will be given. Loss will be given. Find the selling price. So everyone will know that loss equal to, you know that loss equal to CP minus SP. So you will find out SP equal to what? So SP equal to CP minus loss. CP minus loss means then when we find the CP, so SP equal to 900 minus loss 300. So the answer is what? 1600 means 1600 is